Gotta get those Sunday fun pics, you know what I mean? Ooh. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Boring Susan, and today on this fine Sunday, we're doing a small business Sunday fun day review, haul moment, show and tell, whatever you want to call it. But we're going to be talking about some really iconic small businesses and kind of some of their iconic products that they have. Not kind of, actually. Girl, get it together. I did realize too, as I was putting this video together, that I have a couple things that I didn't end up bringing to this table with me. So I will insert a cute little picture. I hope that does justice, but it shows you some iconic brands that you should be in love with as well. Everything will be linked down below as well, so if you want any of these things, if you see something that's cute, fun, and fresh, you can hit a girl up. The first company I'm going to be talking about today is the Clay Drop. This is a brand that I found through Instagram. She's super iconic. Her name's Jess. She's the one who runs the page and started Clay Drop, and she makes really iconic clay earrings. Hint, the Clay Drop. And I found her page a couple months back, like last summer, I believe, and she didn't have a huge following, and now she has like a huge following. Go check her out. I'll probably like show her page right now. But she has some really iconic earrings, so I'm going to show you the pieces that I have from her, and I really recommend if you're looking for some really statement, really cool looking earrings, she's your girl. Okay, so I have quite a few from her. I'll just kind of breeze through them, show you the styles that I have. I know some of these are still available. She does come back with them time to time, and they're from collections, so I'll show you. We have these really interesting ones, like the geometric looking things. Can you see them? And then we also have some cute lemons and limes. Yes, girl, we're living for those. And I have some other ones from her, like, fruity collection. We have the strawberries, and we also have these iconic, like, limes. The colors are phenomenal on this. I don't think you're going to be able to see. I'm trying to, like, can you see, girl? I hope you can see. If you can't, I'm going to probably do insert clips on these because I don't know if you can see them. But those are really iconic. We also have these really fun watermelon ones. I love these. These are so fun. And then there was a cowgirly kind of collection, and since I moved to Texas, I was like, yes, we need the cowgirls. So we have some of those, and also these like cool looking ones. She just has some really amazing earrings. I've worn these a ton. I also have like these really cool cactuses. Oh my gosh, it's never ending with the Clay Drop because I love her stuff so much. And then the cosmic cows were, I think, what really like popped off her website. Like, everyone was loving them. And these are, I have 2 pairs of them. Super cute. But anyways, I love her earrings. Her packaging is really iconic. I think she's a really awesome brand to support. So if you're looking for jewelry pieces, I know she just added a like art print as well. And then she just has a ton of earrings and other things. And I think she's expanding now, which is really awesome. So check her out. She's really awesome. I love the earrings I have from her. And even some of these styles are really wearable. And some of them are a little bit more funky, which we love. So she's an awesome brand, and I love her so much. Check Jess out. She's fantastic. Next on the jewelry, I also have a friend of mine who has a really awesome company called Little Bird Studio, and I have a pair of earrings from her. She does really cool, like, realistic looking, like, food items and that kind of thing. I have these cute little hearts that she did for Valentine's Day, and they say, okay, whatever. But I'm also like, okay, whatever all the time, so it's fitting. It really works. So we love those, and then she also has some really cute designs and stickers. She had these really cute ones, and they're little ghosts. Let me show you. But, like, these are just so stinking cute. I haven't decided where I'm putting these yet, but, like, I had to have them because they're just so adorable. So you have, like, a cute water bottle or something. I'm trying to hold all these, and I, like, can't. But I'll probably end up doing insert shots of what these look like, because I don't know if you're going to be able to see those, but so cute. And then I also have the little, like, strawberries. I love this, like, strawberry milk design that she has. Let me show you all these. She just has a ton of stuff, though. And I'll link everyone's, like, Etsy and stuff. And you can also check out, like, her Redbubble. And you can get some of the stuff in, like, totes. Like, a cute tote bag. Or, like, a mask. Or even, you know, like, a cute top or something. So, these are really cute. Oh, and there's also the cheesecake. And just the classic little strawberry. The strawberry cheesecake. We love that. And then she has her Little Bird Studio sticker. But I love her stuff. They're really cute. But I just love, they're like so cute. Okay, whatever. Anyways, I'm obsessed with those. So those are kind of the fun earrings. I'm looking to purchase, I'll probably purchase like a tote bag or 2 from her Redbubble because there's some really cute designs that she has that I want in like a little tote because I think that's like cute and reusable. So we love, you know, a resourced queen. I also want to talk on, I got a really cool chocolate Breakable Heart. I know, I was like, because I was was trying to explain that it was like a breakable heart that I did in my mukbang video for Valentine's Day. If you want to check that out or just see the chocolate like heart breakable cake, I will insert a thing that you can check out the video if you want to. And it was really iconic. I purchased it from a shop on Etsy. What's her name? Line Shop. I'll link her down below, but she has some really iconic like chocolate pieces that you can do either for like a Valentine's Day or like an anniversary or just a gift to yourself or like whatever you want it for, really. And they're really cool, and it really reminds me of when I mentioned it in the video, but the Kim Kardashian, when she did her like perfume releases and they had those chocolate boxes that it was like a chocolate heart and people would like break into them. Super cool. It's the same idea, but they look really nice and all like decorated. I loved it. If you want to check it out, it was very hard to break. I had some drama trying to break it, so you should check that out. But really awesome, and she does like overnight shipping, so and it wasn't like expensive to do that either, where she just like makes it and then like sends it to you, which is really awesome. So you get it super quick and you have this cute little piece. It was really fun, and I couldn't find anything like that around where I lived, so it was really awesome to be able to get that like fresh and really iconic. So we stan a chocolate breaking moment. We're breaking hearts. I love that. It was so much fun though. So if you're looking to do something that for like somebody else or yourself, it's a really great little fun piece. It's more of an experience piece, you know, and I'm here for that. I love a good experience, so we're here for that. I also have some phone cases by Zoe Charlotte. I'm actually using one on my phone, but you see those? Those are so cute. This is like a lilac check print. Wow, she doesn't know these things. And this is like an abstract cute like two faces and a butterfly and like a heart, which is super cute. She also has some really other iconic ones, like some cute star and like zebra print and all these other ones. I think they're really iconic. If you're looking to get some cool phone cases, what the heck? Can I speak? But some cool phone cases. If you're looking for some, she by Zoe Charlotte is really awesome. I found her on TikTok, and then I like followed her Etsy, and I was like, these are really cute. So I really love her. I'm planning on probably getting a couple of their styles. I've been really into matching my outfit with my phone case, which is like totally excessive. I know. But it's really fun, and so she's been great to resource some really iconic cases. I bought a while ago, and I can't find it. I think it's in a box somewhere. But I did get also a cute little mat for my front door, and it says, please remove your Balenciagas. I'll insert a clip right here, and I'll link the company down below because it was super iconic. I just can't find it because I think it's in a box somewhere, so I need to open her up and put her on out so I can whip my cute little Balenciagas on it, you know, because that's the only shoe I wear, right? Like, totally. It's drama. It's drama. Okay, oh my gosh. We're just kind of losing our minds at this point. But those are the small businesses that we're talking about today. I'm really excited. As I said, I'll probably do more of these videos. So if you have any companies that you found that you're like, oh, you should use these people, or these are my friends and you should support them, whatever, let me know because I would love to try them out. But I have some other ones that I'm looking to find, and I keep on getting recommended on TikTok, like different companies of people that come up on my page, and I'm like, so I need to purchase something from them. Love that. So we will do more of this. I think it's a really fun way to be able to help and support smaller businesses, and also just like the craftsmanship of it. I kind of love having the authentic, iconic, original was what I was looking for. Unique was the word I was looking for. That just like sets you apart. You know, I think I'm kind of over wearing everything that everybody else wears, even though I'm wearing like a Harley Davidson shirt right now and I'm being a basic little thing, but whatever. I think it is nice though to have some originality and some cool things and people's creativity, you know, coming from their minds, their just creative vision. I'm obsessed with that. So I hope you like this video. If you want to see more of this, you will. So happy Sunday. I hope you're like chillaxing, maybe like reading a book or like watching this video, obviously, or like doing whatever you do on Sundays. I feel like Sundays are just like chill vibe. That's what I like to do on my Sundays. So hopefully you're chill vibing as well. We love a good chill vibe. Hashtag chill vibe. I don't know about that one, but we'll see. But anyways, I'll link all of the shops that I talked about down below if you want to check out any of their stuff. Follow them on Instagram or just check out their Etsys. Most of them are on Etsy. Yeah, other than the clay drop. I think she just has her own website. I don't really know. I'll just link whatever makes the most amount of sense down there for our fellow friends. But this was so much fun. I hope you liked the things that I picked out. Happy Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Really whatever day of the week it is. Happy, you know, blank, fill in the blank. Okay, great. That's all I have for you. And my outro is coming in 3, 2, 1.